color is the most original beauty of the nature. We bring it into life, making people feel the beauty presence. Machinery is the epoch-making masterpiece created by mankind. We study the advanced technology and pursue the more perfect products. From printing machines to coding machines, from feeling the beauty to changing life, we insist on improving a better life for mankind by the innovative products. In 1967, a packaging, printing, and new material equipment cradle and dream works was established at the starting point of Silk Road. Shaanxi Beiren Printing Machinery Company Limited is well known as China's aircraft carrier base and industrial weather vane for packaging, printing, and new material coating equipment, recognized as a national demonstration enterprise for service-oriented manufacturing, a national technology innovation demonstration enterprise, a national postdoctoral research station, an academician and expert workstation. Shaanxi Beiren has close cooperation with many universities, such as Xi'an Jiaotong University, Northeastern University, Xi'an University of Technology. The wandering Weihe River has been witnessing the 60-year development of Shaanxi Beiren Printing Machinery Company Limited. The powerful strength of Shaanxi Beiren has been recognized and trusted by many famous enterprises from domestic and overseas, such as Amcor Group, Huangshan Novel Company Limited, Want Group, Wahaha Group, Zhejiang Dilong New Material Company Limited, GS Pack, 3M, Zhongshan Chrome, etc. To date, over 4,000 Shaanxi Beiren machines are operating around the world. Shaanxi Beiren has established a good supply chain cooperation with many world-famous companies. The advanced technology and manufacturing equipment, perfect quality management system, help Shaanxi Beiren standing out in packaging, printing, and new material coating equipment R&D and manufacturing field, and transitioning from a single equipment manufacturer to a green and intelligent integrated solution supplier. Over 100 product developers, including nearly 60 senior engineers. More than 400 patents have been granted. A series of products were honored as National-Level Key New Products and the National Science and Technology Progress Award, as well as provincial and ministerial-level scientific and technological awards. Internationally advanced intelligent Akuma machining center and guide roller flexible production line. Integrated OA, ERP, and mass collaborative management platforms, 3 coordinate inspection centers, and full process digital inspection. More than 30,000 square meters assembly plant. Professional technician team has over 600 people. High-speed rotor gravure printing machine. Dry lamination machine. Solventless lamination machine. Decorated paper rotor gravure printing machine. Coating machine. Flexo printing machine. Paper printing machine for tobacco packaging, and smart factories with integrated solutions for packaging, printing, and new materials. Worldwide service network helps to provide customer with convenient and fast service. Cloud Service Center helps to provide the remote maintenance service to customers. Shaanxi Beiren takes advancing the development of China packaging, printing, and new materials industry as their own responsibility, pursuing the excellence, creating the high-quality goods and greater value for customers. The annual New Product Release Conference and High-End Technology Forum helps to fully show the company image and build the brand of Shaanxi Beiren. Every year, every day, we are in progress, providing first-class products and services to the society, providing platform for the employees to fulfill their value. We are not only the equipment manufacturer, but also the creator for a good life.